How to recover your Threads account. This tutorial shows you how to regain access to your Threads profile. First, open the Threads app on your Android device. After that, tap on Login on the welcome screen. From there, enter your Instagram username or email address. At this point, if you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password. In the next step, Threads will send the password reset link to your email. Following this, check your email inbox and tap the reset link. Once done, create a new password and tap Reset Password. From here, go back to the Threads app and log in with your new password. At this stage, your Threads account will be recovered and restored. After this, all your posts, followers, and following lists will be back. Alternatively, if you can't access your Instagram account, you'll need to recover your Instagram first since Threads is linked to it. And that's it. If this Threads recovery guide helped you regain access, give it a like, subscribe for more social media tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.